yummy, 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 yummy. We're ready for the chocolate taste test. You know what? We just take a little nibble of all of them. Maybe not all.
Yeah, let's just chill out.
Buddy, have you met me?
I think I will opt out of any of the ones that have got nuts in them.
Okay.
So I'm not nuts in chocolate kind of girl.
Okay. It was a good job we didn't get the praline one then.
Yeah.
No, I don't like nuts either in chocolate.
Okay, so I guess I'm eating that. One of them is a nougat-y one, I think. Do you guys like nougat?
I'm lost, to be honest.
There's the other one,
One of
Charlie.
them's got cranberry in them. Looks like
Okay.
maybe there's some orange in one of them. Hazelnut.
I wonder if it tells you like on the website.
Pistachio.
Oh, that sounds nice. But I like pistachio in anything at the moment.
Well, I'm just going to take the top one out and see what it is.
Okay. Where are these from?
That's giving like it might be nuts.
Oh, they don't have it. Have the next one.
Might just try a bite though.
Laderak. Oh.
That's some kind of nut.
Mother, would you like to try it?
Oh.
Oh, it's peanut brittle?
Not if it's got peanut or
I was going to say
anything.
it's
Oh, they've got their like logo in the back. Does it tell you what it is? That would have been good if it did. How have they managed to put their logo in the back of the chocolate?
I don't know. It's quite nice, to be fair.
It reminds me of something. You really don't want to try it? It's quite nice.
Not if it's got a nut in it.
Okay, well. What is that? It's like caramel.
I'm really confused. Tastes like toffee.
It does. She's right. Is this a cranberry one? Mum, do you want to try one with a cranberry?
Cranberry? No.
Oh my god, what do you want to flip it out? Oh, they do have, these are what it means, because look at the picture on the back of this one.
Acha.
So this is peanut something.
But yeah.
This one is, would you like to try cranberry?
Sure. Smart.
Although they should put a little parchi in there to say, is it on written on the back of the sticker?
You've got the ingredients. That's quite nice. I'm just going to put the half-eaten chocolate back in the thing.
Yeah. What is this? Ruby chocolate. That one was quite nice. Does this have a picture on the back? No. Oh, yeah. The lighting doesn't help, does it?
Is this one cranberry too?
Oh, maybe.
It's got half a picture on it.
Oh.
Can't really tell. That's nice.
Yeah. What do you want to try?
What is it?
We don't know. It's pink though.
No.
Wait till we get to a normal chocolate one and give it that one.
It's a bit strawberry. Are you sure you'll try it?
Strawberry, it's quite nice.
That's dark chocolate. You guys like that? Mom doesn't.
I like the doctor.
What the flip is that supposed to be a picture of?
Have a look.
I'd love to go on their website and see what their flavours are. I don't think Mom's going to want any of these, to be honest. Maybe that last one. Or maybe that one, the second to last. The next one is hazelnut. Do you like hazelnuts?
No.
It's got like a whole
There's
thing.
something in it.
Oh, is there? Like crunchy. I'm just got tower.
Oh, a half-eaten chocolate. I think the nutty ones coming next, so those ones are yours.
Oh, I think it's just sea salt.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because that tastes like that. This dark chocolate, 70% dark chocolate sea salt that I used to eat. Yeah, that's sea salt, that is. Am I the only one who's eating the nutty ones then?
Yeah.
Listen, when I said I was going to take a bite of every single one, I was being serious. This is whole nut. Mom's boring anyway. Her favourite chocolate is just plain dairy milk.
No, I like Maltesers.
Yeah, but if you were to go to a shop,
I would opt for dairy milk.
which is so weird. Would you?
No.
I was going to say, because you kind of looked at me for a
No,
second.
I was just thinking, I think my default is usually Hershey's cookies and cream.
That's a white chocolate as well.
Mm.
What is this? More almonds? Then it says badam. Would you like to try a badam? Do you not like nuts in chocolate?
No. I like nuts. I like chocolate.
I like both.
Not together.
That's
That
fine.
one's a texture thing for me.
You know what? I was in a pack in my bag when I came peanuts and I never did. I love a pack of peanuts. I had a big pack of peanuts already. Hidden away from the children.
That's nuts as well, isn't it?
Mm.
Is this the same?
There's
No.
walnuts.
These are walnuts.
No, it's just the shape on that side looked a bit
Oh,
walnutty.
I think this is like mixed nuts.
Oh.
Like they just put badam, pistachio. I'm the only one sitting here eating.
I'm enjoying watching you eat
I'm
them.
gonna put it. Oh, you're gonna eat this one?
Nuts, isn't it? That looks like
Yeah, but
pistachio.
pistachio is different, isn't it?
Mm.
This is like the Dubai chocolate. It's got orange in it. Is that a picture of an orange? Must be a lemon or an orange.
It looks like it.
So I try it first to tell you.
Yeah.
No, there's orange. Look, you can see.
Oh yeah.
This is like actually giving
Orange and pistachio.
That's like Arab flavors, isn't it?
Yeah.
It doesn't smell of anything. When you get a little bit of that orange, or whatever it is, lemon, it's like jelly. Did you get one?
Mm-hmm.
A little jelly orange.
Mm.
Oh, here we go. I think these are the ones that,
What was that? That's it.
I know what it is, I haven't looked at the picture, but I think this is giving what you guys might like.
To be fair, I'm looking at that white one. That one was nice.
Just to be squidding myself. If there's a surprise nut in there. Is it crunchy? Or what have you got? What is this crunchy noise that's coming out of your mouth? It's got like Rice Krispies in there or something.
Crunchy, but I don't think it's nutty.
Mum, do you want to try it?
What?
We don't know what it is. Is it like caramel?
No, because it tastes really bitter.
It's caramel. You don't know. I'm good with flavours. Like, you know how people...
Mm.
Huh?
When I break your throat to bite it.
Do we have lurgy? Like, what? We got
You share DNA.
We don't judge her opinion.
Doesn't count.
We listen and we judge. And the last one. I don't see a picture on that. That might just be plain chocolate.
No, that looks like it's got like a bit of an orange slice on it.
Terry's chocolate maids.
Mm. Orange.
Is it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Mum, do you want orange chocolate?
I'll try some of that.
It is good chocolate though.
Like
Like if we go to the root of it.
Chocolate's nice.
Oh, I like that one.
Doesn't what?
That's a win.
Do you want the whole thing?
Keep building.
Oh. Do you want some more fudge? Because you didn't get much from the others.
No, I'm alright. I think I might
Do you want
buy
some
this
more
one.
of that pink one?
Oh yeah,
Oh.
I'll go back to that pink one in a minute. fun time.
That was delicious, guys. Go to Ladrak and spend all your money because this chocolate was.
You can't remember.
I thought the price was written
The
on it.
receipt was in the bag.
Was it?
I thought it
25,
was.
45.
Oh, that one's not bad.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
25, 45.
How much?
25, 45.
That's a lot.
Mom, there was trays in there that weren't even that big that were like 190 something.
How much is a box of chocolates that you bought?
That one was more expensive.
That was more expensive. Where is it? Where's
Yeah.
the receipt?
I'm not finding that.
I don't really know actually. We'll have to open it and find out. It was 48 for the. Oh, you know that is a praline.
Is it?
It's got nuts in it.
Oh, olive.
No, nuts and chocolate isn't a thing.
Ferrero Rocher. Kinder Bueno.
Oh, actually, yeah, Kinder Bueno, I could.
I like a Kinder Bueno.
Listen, you know what you need to do. You know, you're trying to be healthy. Don't do it then.
Yeah.
But if you're not trying to be healthy, on Ocado, they sell. You type in hazelnut creme, like it's basically like the inside of a Kinder Bueno in a jar. It's an M&S own
Can I have
brand.
some more chocolate? But
Yeah.
not the last one, but the last but one.
The caramel.
Oh, she just gave me an electric shot. You just gonna have it all. Yeah, get that, pal.
Okay.
It's really good. And apparently also every now and again it's either Aldi or Lidl. I think it's Aldi have an Italian week, and in that they sell like a Aldi version of it, and it's just as good, but it's much cheaper.
Okay.
Because my friend from work says that whenever the Aldi Italian week happens, her and her family go and buy loads of jars because she loves to put that in her coffee and like blend it up, and then she's got hazelnut coffee. But like it's not syrup, it's cream. It's like the hazelnut cream, because then she doesn't have to add milk because it's like
that's the dairy.
yeah. Even though I don't actually think it's got dairy in it.
That'd be good though as well then, because Kieran could use that because she doesn't drink normal milk.
Yeah. So
Okay, I'll keep it on.
very delicious.
Normal milk.
Huh?
Why doesn't Kieran drink normal milk?
We think she's got a bit of an intolerance to lactose. She breaks out really badly. So she has almond
that's
milk
good.
and all of her stuff now. I mean, she still has dairy. The
But
girl,
just less.
the girl lives on cheese.
I haven't even had any cheese.
But
We'll
that's,
find
like,
some tomorrow.
but that's like Jasper when she was little. She couldn't drink normal milk and baby milk. The doctor put her on soya milk.
Was that? Can I ask like? Of course I can ask it to myself. Was it like a skin thing or like a stomach thing?
A stomach thing.
And yet, here I am, a cheese fiend.
Maybe that's it, you were deprived of it as a baby.
Every
Then
time
they thought I was allergic to tomatoes for a bit.
you couldn't keep milk.
Egg.
You couldn't keep milk down. You used to always be sick.
I've been told I've got many intolerance. I can't lie.
I know we've only had like one bite of each of them, but it's quite a lot.
Making sure which one she can try again. She's looking at more.
Yeah, I was like, goodness. Dark chocolate is definitely much firmer. Well, I'm going to be eating all these with all the nuts in it then, aren't I?
You are.
This was very delicious. And surprisingly,
So was that, yeah, that one was nice.
I actually kind of like the first one too.
I was going to say,
Go on then. I'm not one to say no.
I'm glad I didn't brush my teeth yet, that one proper gets.
Is that your taste test over?
I think for now, yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso.